I want to talk to you about Ceros content marketing software, and I want to look at the pros and cons, the pricing, the functionalities that Ceros content marketing software actually offers this year. So here's a takeaway I want you to really think about. When you close your eyes and think about Ceros content marketing software, I want you to think about a powerful tool that you can use to create captivating and interactive content experiences. So that's really where the focus is, okay? And the cool thing is that Ceros has an intuitive interface, extensive library of customizable templates, and also a robust set of interactive features. So bottom line is you can use Ceros to design visually stunning content without the need for coding or even design expertise, by the way, okay? And so the platform actually is really great in the sense that it has real-time collaboration capabilities. You have data-driven personalization options, and you also have comprehensive analytics so that you can really enhance the value of your content marketing strategy. Okay. In other words, you can drive audience engagement and achieve your content marketing goals real fast. Let me go a little bit more in terms of the pros and cons when you think about Ceros content marketing software. Let me think about that. So what are the pros here? Well, Ceros content marketing software enables you to create visually stunning and highly interactive content experiences without the need for coding or design expertise. It facilitates also seamless collaboration among team members, allowing, multiple users to work on content creation projects simultaneously. So this idea of simultaneous collaboration is really powerful within Ceros content marketing software. And also, Ceros content marketing software provides robust analytics and performance tracking tools that enable you to measure the effectiveness of your content marketing efforts. So that's really good. On the flip side, when you think about Ceros content marketing software, you have a tool that has a learning curve that new users experience when initially navigating the platform and understanding its features. It provides also customization options that are somewhat limited compared to more flexible design tools. It also offers actually a pricing plans that may be prohibitive, particularly if you manage smaller organizations or if you have limited budgets. Let me talk to you about the suitability here. So who is the Ceros content marketing software best for this year? Well, you want to choose this software if you supervise marketing agencies looking to create visually stunning and interactive content experiences for your clients without the need for coding or design expertise. If you want to create, let's say, also immersive digital content, such as digital magazines, interactive articles, and multimedia presentations, Ceros will be a great tool for you. If you manage educational institutions, including, let's say, schools, universities, and online learning platforms, and you need to develop interactive learning materials, course modules, and educational resources, Ceros content marketing software could be great for you this year. So let me talk to you about the other side of the equation. In other words, who Ceros content marketing software is not really right for based on our investigations. So you want to look for other marketing software aside from Ceros if you run small businesses with limited budgets or resources. I mean, Ceros is not cheap, okay, but Ceros is really value added. In other words, you got to have the resource to back up your marketing efforts, really. And also, you want to look for another player if you manage companies with straightforward content needs, such as basic blog posts or static web pages. And you also want to look elsewhere if you prefer traditional marketing methods and are not focused on creating visually engaging or interactive content, because Ceros actually places a premium when it comes to visually engaging, visually stunning, visually interactive content. Also, you want to look for another software if you operate, let's say, with tight deadlines and or frequent content updates, rapid content creation, and deployment. Because right now, Ceros is not really the best tool in that department in terms of helping you with rapid deployment. So, what are the details here? Let's go a little more granular when we think about Ceros content marketing software. So, what does this software really offer this year? Well, Ceros content marketing software offers a comprehensive suite of features designed to empower your business so that you can create engaging and interactive content experiences. Okay. Ceros allows you to create highly engaging and interactive experiences without the need, I want to insist on that, without the need for coding or design expertise. So you can design visually stunning content assets such as infographics, microsites, ebooks, and interactive presentations using a drag and drop interface. So that's really good. The platform actually provides a library of customizable templates and assets to really expedite the content creation process. And you can actually choose from a variety of pre-designed templates or create your own from scratch, tailoring them to your brand identity and content objectives. And Ceros content marketing software supports the integration of rich media elements such as images, videos, audio clips, animations, and interactive elements. And the cool thing is you can enhance your content with multimedia elements to create immersive and dynamic experiences for your audience. Ceros content marketing software provides robust analytics and performance tracking tools to monitor the effectiveness of content marketing campaigns. The cool thing is you can track metrics such as engagement engagement, of course, click-through rates, time spent on content, and conversion rates to measure the impact of your content and optimize your strategies accordingly. And the platform also integrates seamlessly with third-party tools and platforms, including content management systems, CMS. Okay, you have a client relationship management, CRM systems, marketing automation platforms, and analytics tools. So this integration allows you to leverage existing tools and workflows within the Ceros ecosystem. So now, what about the details here? When you think about Ceros content marketing software, what are the details here? Well, you have interactive content creation, drag and drop interface, template library. You have real-time collaboration, so that's really big. And you also have data-driven personalization. So Ceros enables data-driven personalization by allowing you to create interactive content experiences that adapt based on your interactions and preferences. So this personalized approach helps increase audience engagement and drive better results for content marketing campaigns. So that's really good. So what's the value added here? So when you think about Ceros content marketing software, where does this tool stand out? Well, this tool stands out in several areas. Okay, I think I've said this before, that you are able to create visually stunning and highly interactive content experiences. You are able to integrate rich media elements such as images, videos, animations, and interactive components. You are able to create content experiences that adapt based on your interactions and preferences. And again, without the need to actually do anything to like coding or design. And Ceros facilitates real-time collaboration among team members, enabling multiple users to collaborate on content creation projects simultaneously. And Ceros integrates with a wide range of third-party tools and platforms, including content management system, and you also have analytics tools. Now, there are some areas where Ceros actually is falling short, and this is important for you to know that before you make a decision, okay? First of all, you have a learning curve. So despite its intuitive interface, if you're a new user, you may experience a learning curve when initially navigating the platform and understanding its features. Also, you might have occasional technical issues with Ceros. You also have to think about content quality. So while Ceros enables you to create visually stunning and interactive content, you may find that maintaining content quality and consistency across the different devices and screen sizes may actually pose a challenge. With the Ceros content marketing software, you also have to think about limited customization options. So, of course, the tool has a wide range of customizable templates and assets, but you may find that the customization options somewhat limited compared to more flexible design tools. This could actually restrict your ability to fully tailor content to your specific brand identity and objectives. And you also have to think about cost considerations. So Ceros pricing structure may be prohibitive for some businesses, particularly smaller organizations or those with limited budgets. Okay. And the platform's pricing plans are tailored toward larger enterprises and agencies, which may not be feasible for smaller businesses or even startups. You also have dependency on internet connection. So Ceros is a cloud-based platform, meaning what? Meaning that as a user, you need a stable internet connection to access and use the software effectively. So this reliance on internet connectivity could pose challenges for users in areas with limited or unreliable internet access. Let me talk to you about how to qualify and apply for a Ceros content marketing software. So before applying for a Ceros content marketing software, you want to consider the following factors to ensure that the software aligns with your business needs and objectives. Evaluate your content marketing strategy and objectives to actually determine if Ceros aligns with your goals in the first place. Okay, consider the types of content you plan to create and whether Ceros offers the features and capabilities to support your strategy effectively. You want to review your budget and evaluate whether Ceros pricing plans fit within your financial constraints. So consider the cost relative to the value it provides and whether the investment is justified based on your expected return on investment. You want to evaluate your team's skills and resources, including design, content creation, and technical expertise. So determine if your team has the necessary skills to leverage Ceros effectively or if additional training or hiring may be required. You also want to assess your existing tech stack and identify any integration needs with other tools or platforms. You want to determine if Ceros actually integrates seamlessly with your existing systems, such as CMS, CRM, or analytics tools, so that you can ensure smooth data sharing and workflow efficiency. So to actually apply for a Ceros content marketing software, you want to visit the Ceros website. You want to request a demo or a free trial. It's always good to request a free trial. You want to contact sales or support. You want to complete the application form. So you want to provide accurate information about your business, your contact details, and requirements. You also want to fulfill the requirements to initiate the application process, and you want to wait for review and approval. So once the application is submitted, the Ceros team will review it to determine if your business qualifies for the software. And this may involve assessing factors such as company size, industry, and intended use. So you want to wait for confirmation and approval from the Ceros team before you actually kick off the rest of the process. So let me talk to you about some alternatives to Ceros content marketing software. So when you think about the Ceros, if for any reason you do not like what the Ceros content marketing software is offering you, you have the possibility to go elsewhere. You can try Adobe Experience Manager. You can try Tiled. You can try Storyblock. You can try Canva, and you can try PictoChart. Let me break it down for you. So when you think about AEM, Adobe Experience Manager, this is a comprehensive content management solution that enables your business to create, manage, and deliver personalized content across digital channels. Okay, and Adobe Experience Manager offers features such as content authoring, you have asset management, you have workflow automation, and you have multi-channel publishing. What about Tiled? Well, Tiled is a platform for creating interactive micro apps and presentations that engage and inform audiences. And Tiled does a great job because it allows you to design and publish interactive content experiences for all kinds of assets. This can be sales presentation. This can be marketing collateral. This can be training materials and more. You also have Storyblock. So Storyblock is a headless content management system that empowers your team to create and deliver content across multiple channels. It offers a visual editor, flexible content modeling in the process, and also seamless integrations with other tools and platforms. What about Canva? Well, Canva is known for the visual aspect of things, right? So Canva is a graphic design platform that enables you to create a wide range of visual content, including social media graphics. You have presentations, you have posters, and more. So while not specifically focused on interactive content, Canva offers a user-friendly interface and extensive library of templates and assets for design projects. And finally, you have PictoCharts. So PictoChart is a platform for creating infographics, presentations, and other visual content. And while not specifically focused on interactive content, PictoCharts offers templates and tools for designing visually appealing graphics and presentations. So that's really good. So what about the customer reviews here? When you think about Ceros content marketing software, the reviews are overwhelmingly positive. So whether you go on platforms such as Trustpilot, G2, and Capterra, okay? So Ceros content marketing software is highly regarded among users for its innovative approach to content creation and marketing, okay? People love the fact that basically Ceros content marketing software has an intuitive interface, robust features, and also has an ability to create engaging and interactive content experiences. So that's really fantastic, okay? And so what are the pro tips before we close to this conversation? If you want to really try Ceros content marketing software, you want to plan your content strategy. Everything starts with planning, okay? You got to have some level of planning, okay? And so plan your content strategy. So outline your goals, target audience, and messaging strategy. So having a clear plan will help you create more effective and impactful content with Ceros. You want to utilize interactive features. So like interactive features in terms of animations, hotspots, and quizzes, so you can engage your audience and enhance your experience. You want to experiment with different interactive elements to keep your content fresh and engaging. You want to optimize for mobile, very important in this world. You know, a lot of users love mobile, so ensure your content is optimized for mobile devices so you can reach a wider audience and provide a seamless experience across all devices. And test your content on various screen sizes and devices to ensure it displays properly. You want to collaborate effectively, so use Ceros collaboration tools to work efficiently with your team members, assign roles and permissions, leave comments, and track changes to streamline the content creation process and ensure everyone is on the same page. That's what you want. You also want to track performance, so monitor the performance of your content using Ceros analytics tools. Track metrics such as engagement, time spent on page, and click-through rates to understand what resonates with your audience and optimize your future content accordingly. And you also want to stay updated. So overall, when you think about Ceros content marketing software, basically, do we recommend this tool? Yes, of course. This tool is safe. This tool is legit. This tool is definitely worth it. It really offers a robust platform for creating engaging and interactive content experiences. Its intuitive interface, extensive library of customizable templates, and array of interactive features make content creation accessible and efficient for users of all skill levels this year. So in closing arguments in today's conversation, I spoke to you about Ceros content marketing software. I gave you the takeaway, the suitability, the details, the value added, the eligibility, the extras, and now the closing arguments. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.